We're making a very unique sugar cookie. It has butter. I'm using European butter here, the best. And it has 1 cup of oil. It has 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 cup of regular sugar, salt. Beat this till light and fluffy. Add your eggs. Now we're going to add in our vanilla. Make sure you use pure vanilla extract. And also my butternut flavoring, one of my favorites. And then add in your baking soda and cream of tartar. Cornstarch. Now when you're adding your flour, you don't want to over mix. And we're going to mix the rest by hand. It's going to be a very wet dough, so we're going to refrigerate this overnight. You can scoop any size cookie you like, but I like mine to be on the larger side. We can do the sugar cookie with a little twist of cinnamon sugar, like Snickerdoodle. So in this bowl, I have like a 1/4 cup of sugar, and I'm going to put to it a tablespoon of cinnamon. You can put as much cinnamon as you like. I like a lot of flavor, so I like the deep cinnamon. So just looking at the color, I will put a little bit more in. So see, this is a nice color. Okay, we're going to bake these at 350 degrees and 7 minutes. We're going to rotate. So I scooped this cookie a little bit smaller. So what you do is you just take it and you roll it into the cinnamon sugar. So it's like Snickerdoodle we're doing. 7 minutes up. Let's check on our cookie. Look at these giant cookies. Look, they spread out nicely. Look at that. Okay, we check it in 5 minutes. 5 minutes up. Wow. Look at our cookie. I think it's perfect. Remember, let it stay in this hot pan and we'll still keep cooking. Alright, I'm going to put the little one in. Half cinnamon sugar and half plain. So these are smaller. So I'm going to rotate in 6 minutes. Let's check on our cookie. Wow. The small one. After 6 minutes. Nice. I'll do another 6 minutes. So 12 minutes total. This should be good. Total 12 minutes for these smaller cookie. Oh, they look perfect. Look how good they look. Now these I made a little bit bigger, so I did the bigger size with some cinnamon sugar, and I did one with M&Ms. So these, this sugar cookie recipe is very versatile. You can add any topping you want. Okay, we're gonna bake at 350 for 7 minutes. Time to rotate our cookie. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna check in 6 minutes. Wow, time's up. Look at these. Came out perfect. Now look at our cookies. I did 12-minute total. So if you like it a little lighter, then bring it down to 11 minutes. It all depends on your oven. How light and how dark you want the cookie, depending how many minutes you want to leave in your oven. And depending if your oven runs hot, then you have to adjust your time accordingly. So these are the sugar cookie that we made. We made plain one. So the big giant plain one. And then I made smaller one. And I did some with M&M. I did only one with M&M. And then I did some cinnamon sugar cookie. See, this is batter, very versatile. You can add any candy filling you want on top, but the flavor is whatever you want to be on top. But the base flavor is just vanilla, basic. Let's try the cinnamon sugar. Let's taste this. Wow, look at that. Let's taste this. Oh my goodness. Now I know what the oil does. Makes it light and airy and melt in your mouth. So my sister, try this cookie.
Okay. What kind is it?
This is a sugar cookie, and I made it plain, and I also made it with cinnamon sugar and with M&Ms.
This literally melts in your mouth.
Right? You know what the secret is in this recipe?
What is it?
It's the oil. It's oil and butter. Gives this nice, light, airy, and melt in your mouth.
I love the crunchy edges.
I agree. It's so delicious. Okay, oil and butter gives you a melt in your mouth sensation. Bon appetit. See you in the next video.